Hey guys, we just got done with the most insane road trip. We literally went through deserts, forests, swamps, you name it, and anything could happen. It's 2,500 miles from California to Florida, and so many things can go wrong, so many things can go right. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get into it. Since we were moving and taking all our stuff with us, we needed a big car, so we went with the Jeep Wagoneer 2024. Should be able to fit our stuff. Check it out. Last meal in California, picking my favorite restaurant. Hello, could I get two carne asada fries with the tortilla on the bottom?
Two carne asada fries with the tortilla on the bottom, anything else?
And two cheese enchilada plate with beans and rice.
Okay.
And that'll be all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just got back the Wagoneer, looking beastly. So excited to drive this. Uh-oh. Damn. Best hot sauce ever too.
2 hours later.
Alright, we're finally on the road, getting some last looks of the neighborhood here, and off we are to Florida. Flip on the telly, wrestle with Jimmy. Something is bubbling behind my back. Oh, looks like there's like a street fair. Yeah, let's find like a bar, and they always have a bathroom. Oh look, Pokemon shirts.
Hello, what are you doing?
Hello.
I'll call my mom right now. Hi.
Hello. For two.
For two?
I got the pineapple margarita. It was really good. It had tahini on the rim. Everything tasted really good, and they pour it strong here. Thank you guys. Hanzu Sushi, I bet that place is fire. Straight gas.
Nice. Look at that giant lady. She looks so real.
I knew I had no choice but to
27
continue to
miles
Kansas.
down this road.
My grandparents were waiting for me, for one.
I think
Also,
we should turn
I had
around.
nowhere or reason to stay in Illinois,
This is one
except my
way.
father. And I was literally in the halfway mark of the trip. It'd take me just as long to get back home as it
That's
would
a lot
to
of
get to their
time to be
house.
off-road.
Onward, ho. I made my way to the bathroom. The first thing I noticed when I got in the bathroom was that it was
Look, it's
occupied. It was just a room,
allowing us to
toilet,
turn around,
sink.
so
I just felt numb at this
Private
point.
property.
It was a mere image
yeah,
of the
let's
gas
turn
station I
around.
stopped.
Oh man, look at all those sleeping trucks.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, 2 number 45s, 1 with cheese, and a large soda.
Whoa, look at that mountain. That's pretty cool.
Look at that. It looks like Bigfoot. They did that on purpose, right? I mean, look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Just the grip. Thank you.
Come, heed wisdom of medicine man.
Oh, really cool. I see it looks like road. You would want to like step on there.
Did you find it?
So many questions as to whether or not I will be filming and posting.
If anything else exists beyond the beams of your headlights, everything was just swallowed by darkness.
Brackets on both sides of the door, locking it from the inside. I know because of him. My first day on the job was fine, more or less. I'd worked. For our part, Melanie and I tried our best to get him to pace himself. We were both giving the speech.
Uncommon objects. I wonder what this was supposed to be.
Bruh.
Vintage pencil sharpener.
Do it.
If those were wearable, I would buy them.
She didn't have to cut me off. We were nothing.
Me voy a matar, te me último. Uy, uy, uy.
We